This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Schlage electronic door latch. It's the model FE575. I picked this up as part of a large lot of lock parts on eBay, so I don't have a key to it. Luckily though, the factory codes are printed on the back, so I can demonstrate use of the electronics. Note that when I pull the lever, the bar on the back does not also turn. That changes if I enter the correct factory code, which is 2971. Now those two parts are coupled, the bar turns, which retracts the latch. The same thing happens if you turn the key, but since we don't have one, we're going to see what it takes to pick this open. I'm using a 50 thousandths thick pry bar for a turning tool and a standard hook in 25 thousandths. I'm also picking this while it's sideways because that's the way it would be oriented on a door. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. 5 is binding tightly, nice click there, and we dropped into a false set. Nothing on 1, counter rotation on 2, feels like we have 2 set. Nothing on 3, counter rotation on 4, and it looks like we have this open. Now this stopped turning because the driver pins dropped into the bottom of the keyway. That's easy enough to fix. I just push them up with a pick and I can complete the rotation. Now when I pull the lever, you can see the bar on the back turns as well. Okay, let's take this apart and we'll take a look at the pins. I felt at least 2 spools in slots 2 and 4, so Schlage made some effort at pick resistance. Once I have that cover off, it's just 1 screw to remove the core. Okay, now we need to remove this back cap. Now that core should slide out with a follower. Let's pull these key pins out. They're all made of brass and they appear to be standard pins. No serrations on them. Now this core is interesting. Usually Schlage cores are made out of brass. This one seems to be cast from zinc. It's also pretty rare for me to find drill protection in a Schlage core, and that's exactly what we have right on the front there. You can see a little plate of steel. So it's a mixed bag. Let's take a look at the driver pins now. This lock body also appears to be cast zinc. Number 1 is a spool. Number 2, I felt a spool, and that's exactly what it is. 3 is a spool. I'm expecting a spool in 4 as well. And that's what we have. And number 5 is a standard pin. Okay, all in all, a mixed bag here from this Schlage core. I'm disappointed to see it's not machined out of brass, but I do like to see drill protection and I do like the spools, which shows at least some effort was made to make it pick resistant, though it's not going to stop an experienced picker for very long. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.